Hello everyone. Again, I welcome to all of you. I am Ritesh Agrawal, PGT Mathematics in Kendriya Vidyalaya Balaghat. And today I will discuss how we can find the integration of 1 upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c in a very easy way. So now suppose the question in this way, suppose a question is in front of you, that is integration of square root of 1 upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So now in this question actually we have seen here, we are saying here the quadratic expression inside of a square root in denominator. So now student, again we will check the value of a first. So now the first case can be a may be greater than 0. So first of all we will check what is the value of a, which is it is greater than 0, and if it is greater than 0 then d is belongs to R. In this case d can be any real number. In this way case d can be any real number, d कुछ भी हो सकता है. Then answer will be directly, I will be equal to directly हम लिख सकते हैं, and the answer will be 1 upon square root a log of 2ax plus b plus 2 root a and square root of ax square plus bx plus c. So now dear students, this will be the plus constant, this will be the answer in this case. Suppose question is we will solve again, we will solve after this question also. So this is the answer student directly. Actually if a greater than 0, then d may be any real number, it may be positive, it may be negative, it may be equal to 0. Then answer of this integration will be 1 upon square root a log of 2ax plus b plus 2 square root a and square root of ax square plus bx plus c. So students, it is the answer. This will be the answer directly we can write. And again a question is, suppose maybe a less than 0. If a is less than 0, then d should be greater than 0. D should be greater than 0. Then the answer will be available, otherwise there is no answer. So student, if a is less than 0, then we have to find d also, and d should be greater than 0. Then this integration we can write directly, which will be 1 upon square root of minus a sine inverse minus 2ax minus b divided by square root of d. So we have to find d first also, if a less than 0, and then d should be greater than 0, then answer will become, otherwise. And now if the third case, if a less than 0 and d is less than or equal to 0, then no answer will be come. It means it will be not possible. Answer is not possible. So students, in this way we can find the integration of this type of any quadratic expression which is in denominator with 1 by 2 power. So suppose question is, we want to find the integration of 1 upon 2x square plus x plus 1. So now here a is greater than 0, therefore the answer of this equation is directly we can write 1 upon square root a means square root 2 log of 2ax. 2ax means 4x plus 1 because b is 1 and plus 2 square root 2 and square root of 2x square plus x plus 1. This will be the answer of this question. Directly we can find. So I think it is a very shortcut method and you can use in competitive exam and 1-2 marks question also. Again the question is, suppose I is equal to 1 upon square root of 3 plus 2x square minus 2x square. 2x actually, 2x square, 2x. Then in this question, if we write this in this quadratic form, a standard quadratic form, then this is actually equal to 1 upon square root of minus 2x square plus 2x plus 3, and we can see here a is equal to minus 2, which is less than 0, and when a is less than 0, then we have to find one value d, and d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and then it will equal to 4 minus 4 into minus 2 into 3. This will be 4 plus 24, which is 28, greater than 0. And if d is greater than 0 and a is less than 0, then answer will be, we have write 1 upon square root of minus a sine inverse minus 2ax minus b divided by square root of d. So we can substitute all the values. A is minus 2, it will be root 2 sine inverse. When we put a minus 2, then it will be 4x minus b is 2, it means minus 2, square root d is 28, so square root 28 plus c, and we can simplify again. It is 1 upon square root sine inverse 2x minus 1, and it will be 2 root 7, root 7 plus c, answer. So in this way we can find the integration of 1 upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c. So this is very easy. So please try it and so calculate it. Thank you.